Greetings everyone. In this video, we will use Python to retrieve weather data from the Mars Weather Service API provided by NASA. Firstly, let's set up our Python environment. We need to import the required modules. We will import the JSON module to work with the JSON data and the requests module to make HTTP requests. Next, we define the URL of the Mars Weather Service API endpoint. This URL provides Mars weather data in JSON format, specifically for Mars Rover missions. Now we will make an HTTP GET request to the API using the requests.get function. We pass the URL as an argument to the function. Then we parse the response as JSON data using JSON method and store the parsed data in a variable called data. When data equal. Finally, we print the raw JSON data. Now we printed the temperature on Mars. As we can see, we have a 15 June 2023 and 17 June 2023 and so on. Now let's look at the first date. Firstly here, the sols. This key corresponds to a list of Martian sols, which represents different Martian days. And for terrestrial date, this provides a date on Earth when the data was recorded. In the example, the terrestrial date, June 15th, 2023. And for sol, this provides the sol number, which represents the Martian day. In the example, the sol number is 825. And for ls, this represents the solar longitude, which is an angle that indicates the position of Mars in its orbit around the Sun. In the example, the solar longitude 78.098. And for season, this indicates the season on Mars during the recorded sol. In the example, the season is late spring. And for minimum temperature, this represents the minimum temperature recorded on the given sol. In the example, the minimum temperature is negative 77.1 degrees. And for maximum temperature, the maximum temperature recorded and it was minus 19.3. And regarding pressure, this provides the atmospheric pressure recorded on the given sol. In the example, the atmospheric pressure is 725.9 Pascal. And for the sunrise, this indicates the time of the sunrise on the given sol. In the example, the sunrise time is 5 and 13 minutes and 52 seconds. For the sunset, hour 18, minute 24 and seconds 59. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.